Hello and welcome to AMG Time And Attendance system video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to add and configure wages for employees. For that you should go to Definitions section and open Wages window. In this window you have two tables. The one in the left is the list of employees, and the one in the right is the list of wages assigned to selected employees. So if you want to add a wage to an employee, first of all you should select him from the employees table. To easily find the required employee, you can use filtering fields, which are status, code, name, headquarters, division, and group. After selecting necessary employee, click on Add button under Wages table. In the Add Wage window, first of all, you should enter or select from the calendar the date from which the new wage must be applied. Then choose the wage type. In AMG Attendance system, there are three types of wage: hourly, salary, or calculated salary. If wage type is hourly or calculated salary, then the system will calculate the total salary according to employees' tracked attendance. The only difference is that if the type is hourly, then in the amount field, you enter employee's wage for 1 hour. But if the type is calculated salary, then in the amount field, you enter employee's wage for specified time period. And the program will automatically calculate employee's 1 hour wage based on his schedule in that time period. Available time periods are weekly, bi-weekly, semi-monthly, and monthly. If semi-monthly period is selected, which means that month is being divided into two parts, then also you have to enter how many days are included in the first part. Also, you can set the wage type to salary if you want that the amount of salary be fixed for a definite period of time. In this case, hours worked in that period won't affect the total salary at the end of that period. Available time periods in case of salary are the same as for calculated salary. Now, to see employees' earned wage for any period, let's go to Reports section and generate employees' wages report. Here you can check Include Categories checkbox if you want to show wage for each available category separately. If necessary, you can also group employees by any of available options here. Then go to Next tab, select all necessary employees, then again go forward, select necessary time period, and then generate report. Here you see for each employee separately is given the calculation of total wage. Here is the hourly rate. Then in this part you see worked hours, both regular, overtime, and even unpaid. And here is the total wage earned in selected time period. Now, I will explain the job department costing feature, which enables to calculate employees' total wage based on the jobs they have done or departments they have worked in. This feature is by default enabled if you are using Standard or Enterprise edition of the system. For using it, first of all, you should define hourly rates for jobs or departments. As you remember from video tutorial about organization structure, jobs and departments are located in Organization section. Here you can create lists of jobs and departments and define an hourly wage rate for them. Now, if you want to enable wage calculation based on job or department for a particular employee, you should open his wage window and check Use Job Department Costing option. Note that it will be active only if hourly or calculated salary wage types are selected. Here in Job and Department tabs, you see the list of all jobs and departments which have hourly wage. In Wage column is displayed the default wage for each job or department. Note that here you have possibility to change hourly wage for any job or department only for this particular employee. For that, uncheck Use Default Box and enter new wage here in Wage column. After finishing configuration, click on OK button to save the changes. Now, after you have finished the configuration of wage, you should go to Tools, open General Settings window, go to Job Department Costing tab and define wage calculation mode for the cases when employee has both general wage, wage by job and wage by department. Select minimum option if you want to calculate employee's total salary using the minimum rate from all available wage rates. Or select maximum option if you want to calculate employee's total salary using the maximum rate from all available wage rates. Or set any priority according to your requirements by using these up and down arrows. After finishing also this configuration, again click OK button to save the changes. Now the entire configuration for wage calculation is finished. Let's go again to Reports section, where I will show you one more report related to wages calculation, which is called Job Costing. This report shows worked hours and labor costs distributed by jobs. Here you have possibility to enable some options like including employee details, summaries by employees, summaries by departments, and displaying each job from new page. Select any option you need, then go to Next tab, select all necessary employees, then again go forward, select necessary time period, and then Generate Report. Here you see total hours and total cost for each job. Besides, you see the details for each day and for each employee, including department, start and stop times, worked hours, hourly rate, and total cost. This is a rather useful report to understand how much each job costs to company. So that's all about wages configuration and salary calculation. Thank you for your attention.